Have you ever struggled to make sure that your staff see important briefing documents on time? Maybe they get lost in endless emails. Well, today we're going to take a look at a solution for that. It's the SharePoint Staff Briefing Web part. It makes it easy to access those important documents with expiry dates, so staff always have access to the latest information at a glance. This web part is designed to ensure that key documents don't just get uploaded and forgotten, instead they're here to stay front and centre for your staff until they expire. That way you can make sure that everyone is working on the most up-to-date information. Creating a new staff briefing document is easy. You can press the new button and get started with a brand new Word document, a PowerPoint presentation. It could even be a link to an external website. We can create from an existing file to start from a previous staff briefing document, or we can upload a brand new one. In this case, I'm going to create a brand new Word document. I'm going to pick an expiry date for it. I'm going to choose today, so it will last until midnight tonight. I'm going to create that and open it up. So this opens up that brand new Word document. I can create my staff briefing here. Once I've finished with that and I close it, you'll see my web part is updated. There's an open staff briefing link, and if I click on that link, it will open up that staff briefing for today until midnight tonight. I can also access any archive staff briefing, so if I want to go back in time and see what was on the staff briefing from yesterday or last week, I can do that. I can set the expiry date to today or to next week, so it could be a weekly briefing, a daily briefing. I could even change the name of this web part. In this case, I've called it a lunch rota, so I can put my latest lunch rotas on the screen. So whether you need to share daily briefings, health and safety updates, or any other important document, it ensures your staff see the right information at the right time. No more searching through emails or missing key details, just quick, easy access for everyone. And if you'd like to see this in action in your own SharePoint environment, get in touch with us today, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more SharePoint tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.